Hello, thank you all so much for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny, and as you can see, I'm going to be using some actual candy cane candies to create some simple, I guess, DIY hacks. I think these came out so cute, and you can gift these or you can style these in your home for the holiday. I am going to start off by creating this candy cane wreath that I seen online. I thought it was adorable. Now, I know that I believe they used like fake candy canes, but my son absolutely loved peppermints and candy canes, so I wanted to use the actual candy to create these DIYs today. So, and I think these are great if you want to gift them away. So as you can see, I'm just going around connecting the candy canes, lining them up, but making them look like, I can say, sort of like little hearts. And I used a total of 20 candy canes for this wreath. Now, I did get 12 in the pack. I believe you get 12 in the pack from the Dollar Tree. So I didn't even use a full 2 packs for this. That's one of the things that's good about using the actual candy, because it makes it so much more budget friendly than unless you can find some fake candy canes on the budget, and I'm sure you can. So after I get them all lined up, because it is candy, I do not want to use any hot glue, so I'm using some clear Scotch tape, and that way you don't see anything different from the plastic. It's already wrapped in. So what I'm going to do is just take tape, and I'm going to go along the long part of the candy cane, as you can see, and it just connect them crossing over. And I'm going to make sure I cover every section of the candy cane going across that circle in the middle, because you're not going to see that part at the end. And so as you can see, I'm just going to continue making sure that I cross over each candy cane, connecting them together. And I will be doing this on both sides, but I'm just going to continue going around, making sure that there's not a pair that doesn't have a strip of tape on them. And I do want to apologize. I have many videos that I need to edit. I haven't been able to put up videos in 2 weeks because I was under the weather, and then my son became under the weather, but we both are feeling so much better now. So now, after I attach the tape there, I'm now going around with a little piece of tape and connecting the 2 ends together that created that heart. And I hope you can see, I'm just adding a little piece of tape, connecting those ends together. And I'm going to go around and do this to each one of them. So I may have to end up doing a part 2 to this video because, as I mentioned, I did a lot of crafting. I was feeling so bad I couldn't get no editing done. And so after I started feeling better, no, my son was feeling better. Was feeling bad first. And then after he started feeling better, then I started feeling bad. And then he went back to feeling bad. And so I just could not get any editing done. And so when I edit this video, I just chopped it up, and I'll do the other projects later. And so after I flipped it over, I'm just going to go in and add the strip of tape that connected them together, because I don't have to add it around the top part anymore. Now it's pretty much nice and secure. I'm just going to make sure that I have it taped along the long portion on both sides. And this was really easy to do. This tape held up really good, and you really can't see it. It's just like part of the plastic that's around the candy cane. I think this wreath came out so cute. It was definitely easy to do and budget friendly, and I just think these are really great gifts if you just wanted to give someone some candy canes. So after I make sure I have all the tape and it's nice and tucked, as you can see now, everything is together in one piece. And so I'm going to take these snowflakes from the Dollar Tree. They came 6 in the pack. And I'm just going to add these in the center. Now, because it's tape in the center, you can add a dab of hot glue, but I'm not. I'm going to keep everything using tape. I'm just going to take a piece of this Scotch tape and just roll it up. You know how you just fold it, roll it, add it to the back, and then it connected really good to the other piece of tape. And then I'm going to do that on the other side. And that held together pretty easy. Or you can just go around it and add some more tape, not hot glue, if it doesn't feel secure enough for you, but it held up really good. And so I do want to add some ribbon to this so that I can hang this. And so the Dollar Tree had this really pretty snowflake ribbon, which was perfect. And I'm just going to take a piece and wrap it around a part of the reef, and I'm just going to use some tape to secure that together. And then I'm just going to tie a knot so that I can hang this up. And this turned out really cute. When I seen this online, I knew I wanted to recreate this using real candy canes, and I absolutely love how this one turned out. And so this next DIY hack I thought would be really cute, using one of these LED candles from the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to turn it on and off just to make sure it worked, because sometimes the Dollar Tree candles, they be duds. And so I wanted to make sure that this one did work. And I'm just going to remove the plastic, and then I'm going to attach these candles with the hook downwards. And I'm just going to be using a piece of tape to attach each one. And I'm just going to be trying to attach them separate. So here I'm just trying to figure out my groove, because at first I was just going to use a longer piece of tape and try to add two. As you can see, I'm just lifting it up to tuck that other one in there. But I find it was easy just adding a candy cane and then taking a piece of tape and just securing it in the same spot where I added the previous piece of tape. And that just seemed like it was easier. And so I'm just going to continue doing that all the way around this candle. As you can see, the tape had kind of gave me a little hard time. It was sticking to my fingers, but I got through the struggle. So I'm just going to continue this all the way around. And I want to take this time to say thank you all so much, because I've read most of the comments. I haven't had a chance to respond to them all because it just wasn't feeling good. And with my son being ill too, this has been a rough 2 weeks. But I started feeling better a couple of days ago. I started feeling better, and so I had to get caught up on some things around the house. And just reading your comments made me feel so much joy and so much better. And I really do appreciate the support, and I thank you all so much. I'm going to get caught up on my comments, but just reading them brought so much joy to me and my family. We are truly grateful for the support that you all show me on this channel with your comments, your likes, and your views. So thank you all so much, and blessings to you and your family. Thank you. I'm going to continue going around just adding the last few candy canes. This turned out really cute. I absolutely love this. And as I mentioned earlier, my oldest son, he loved peppermints, candy canes, and all of that. So I thought he would enjoy these. And I also feel like I need to address the fact that I've ate about 4 of these candy canes while creating this video. So yeah, I guess I love candy canes also. So I'm taking some jute cord and I just tied a knot, and I'm just going to kind of messy wrap this jute cord, I guess, just going around, just extra security for these candy canes, but just bringing in a little bit of character. And so I'm just going to take the 2 ends together, tie a knot, and I really do love how this turned out. It is so cute. Now, because I added the candy canes at the bottom, what I was trying to do was like create a little tray so that I can add some little star mints. So I have a bag of mints here from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take these and add these to the bottom. And that because the bottom created like a little tray for the mints, and I absolutely love how this turned out. This is really simple. This will be a cute gift as well, but I think it's going to be really cute style on my coffee bar. So I'm really pretty much is just reversing what I did with the candle, and I'm adding the hook at the top to create a cute little vase. Now this, I seen something like this online as well when I seen the candy cane wreath, and I thought this was so cute, and I know exactly how I'm going to style this. So pretty much the same method. I'm just placing a candy cane right next to the previous one and adding a piece of tape, and I'm going to do this all the way around. Now this is really cute as well, and this will be cute styled actually even as a candy dish to add some mints on the inside or whatever you want to add to this. But I really do love how this turned out, and I do have some other cute candy cane DIY hacks as I mentioned, but I'm going to do a second video for those. I just wanted to get this video out because I haven't posted, and so I did chop the video up and just show you some of the projects. So once I finish getting this taped around, I am going to be adding some jute cord and a piece of ribbon to this one as well. I'm just going in with my last few candy canes, and if I am correct, I believe I used 2 boxes for this project. And the Dollar Tree does have candy canes. They have the different color ones, so you can pick them up from Walmart or online. You can pretty much right now get candy cane, the actual candies, from anywhere. But if you do not want to use the actual candy, I'm sure you can find some candy canes, the decor, like the ones that you craft with. You could probably find some at Hobby Lobby, and the Dollar Tree probably put some out, I'm not sure. So after I get that complete, I'm going around now with a couple of rounds of the jute cord sort of in the center, and then I am actually going all around this. I don't know what made me think I did it in the center, so I'm kind of just going around in like a messy form with this. And then after I get that tied down, I'm just going to tie some ribbon around it to create a bow, and I added a little vase with a little plant in the inside because I'm actually going to give this to my sister. So she's going to get this cute little vase with these candy canes and her cute little piece of one of her favorite plants. I absolutely love how simple this was and how cute it turned out. And I definitely had to recreate these cute little candles. I was like, yes, I want these. And so I'm just got a 2-pack of candles here from the Dollar Tree. They have the white ones or the red ones, but I decided to use the red ones. And I'm pretty much just creating a stand for these candles using 4 of these candy canes. So I'm just securing the first one on one side, as you can see. And then I'm going to put another candy cane on the other side, just making sure I sort of have it lined up so that it won't affect how it stands. And then I'm going to secure that with some tape. And I am going to be creating a pair of these, but I'm going to do the other one off camera because these definitely should be a pair. And the Dollar Tree, these candles does come 2 in the pack, so that keeps it very budget friendly. And you just use a total of 8 candy canes. And it's so adorable. And so now what I'm going to do is add the 3rd candy cane, and I'm going to repeat that step and doing those 2 on the opposite side as well. Absolutely love this. This was so cute. I seen this online as well, and I just thought, how adorable is this? And I was going to use some real candy canes. And so after I get that secure with some tape, I'm just going to take the 4th one, and then off camera, I'm just going to put together the 2nd one. And I just thought this is a really cute idea for a stand. And so after I get that secured with some tape and I create this 2nd one, I am going to go around this with a little jute cord as well, just for some extra security and also to bring in a little more character to this as well. And then I'm also going to use a little piece of that same ribbon that I used with the snowflakes on there, because I thought the snowflake ribbon tied in really good with the candy cane. So I'm going to wrap it around a few times, tie a knot, And then I'm just going to take a piece of that ribbon and just wrap it right over the jute cord. And so I'm just making sure I get that nice and tight and clip it off. Take the little piece of ribbon and just go right around it. And to secure that ribbon, I'm just going to be using a little piece of tape. I'm going to do that same thing to the other one, and that is going to be it for these. These are turned out really, really cute, simple to make and budget friendly. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed today's video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.